I'm here at the Trauma Invested Institute with Pete Hall and Kristin Souers, who are here as our trainers with some exciting new information for Indiana. So welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Good to be here.
Tell us about what's going on at the training.
I'm super excited, and we are really grateful to the IEP. We met them through the Focus on Inclusion conferences, and they had us come out and kind of entice Indiana around this as a topic, and it really grew. And as a result of that feedback, they invited us to do this 2-day institute in June to really keep the momentum and interest going amongst educators about how they can support kids and their awesomeness in the best way possible. So we're really grateful for that.
What we're really excited about is the opportunity to come back next spring, where we'll be here a couple days in March. March 5th will be kind of a recap of the 2 days that we're doing here in June 2019. And then on March 6th, we'll be back as the next level of PD. So anybody who has attended in June this week can come back on March 6th for the next level of PD. And anyone who attends on March 5th can also attend on March 6th. And we're really hoping for teams.
Yeah.
The more that we have a group of people that are working together towards establishing the movement and gaining consensus and getting some momentum going is really what we're looking for. The more people that we get from the same organization, same school, can really make a powerful impact.
Yeah, because the goal is common language, right? And so these levels are designed to build off each other. And so groups today got level 1 and really energized them to go back to their team and invite interest. And then tomorrow we'll take it to the next level with them to really even hone those messages further. And the goal is that on the 5th, they'll have teammates who couldn't come in June show up, so that adds to the bigger group to get that common message, because they'll need those that information first to have March 6th even make sense. And then the goal, ideally, for March 6th is teams from both days can come together and work collaboratively about really putting a sustainable plan in place for their buildings, their settings, their districts. Yeah, great group of people today. I'm excited to come back tomorrow. Yeah.
Any suggestions about what kind of team makeup would be a good team to send?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Humans.
absolutely.
Honestly, if the teams are comprised of humans that care about kids and care about the work that we do and care about making a difference, that's who we want in the room.
So this is not a special ed thing, not a gen ed thing. It's
everybody.
It's raising humans.
In fact, we would encourage you to have a diversity of folks. Like, we love it when we see front office staff, folks working in the cafeteria, crossing guards, bus drivers, in addition to certified and non-certified teachers, and not just always sending school counselors, who are amazing. And we love the school psychologists, school counselors' behaviors, but we typically look to them to be the resource. We want to build on that community network within the building. So having representation and leadership at the table is always helpful, because they can kind of keep that momentum going. So I think a mixed representation is the ideal team to send.
So this is a great topic, and it's an important topic. Will there be fun?
I don't know.
We have a good time.
We have a great time. I don't know if everybody else does, but we have a blast.
Yeah, this is obviously, it's a heavy topic when we talk about childhood trauma and how it affects us as professionals and what we can do to help mitigate the effects of those not okay experiences. So we have to lighten it up a little bit. And if you're not having fun while you're learning, if you're not having fun while you're teaching, if you're not having fun while you're working with children and working with people who work with children, I think you're missing the boat. So yeah, we'll have a good time. We will learn. You'll come away hopefully thinking differently about the way we do our work.
Well, thanks for being with us, and we look forward to you coming back in March.
And thanks again for inviting us. We're really excited about this partnership, and we're super proud of Indiana. I mean, I think there's a lot of real positive movement going on in this state, and we're proud to be a part of it. So go IEP. Whoop, whoop.